भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Welcome to IndiaCom 2025, the 19th edition of International Conference on Computing for Sustainable Global Development, hosted by Bharati Vidyapeeth's Institute of Computer Application and Management, New Delhi, during 2nd to 4th April 2025. This IEEE conference was brought together researchers, industry experts, and academicians from across the globe to share insights, innovations, and impactful research. This prestigious conference was organized in collaboration with globally renowned bodies such as IEEE USA, CSI, IETE, ISTE, IITP, and IMP with an overwhelming response. IndiaCom 2025 received more than 1,700 papers from more than 5,000 authors across 26 countries, following a rigorous review process by over 1,200 subject experts. 415 high-quality papers by more than 1,200 authors were accepted for presentation across multiple parallel tracks. A selected set of 39 papers was published in the hard copy proceedings, while the rest were released in digital format, accessible through the official web portal.
The conference was presided over by Professor K.K. Agarwal, President of South Asian University and former Chairman of NBA, and featured Mr. Vyom Jain, Managing Director of Nagarro, as chief guest.
The international stature of the event was highlighted by the presence of experts such as Professor Mohammad Yamin, Australian National University, Canberra, Australia, Professor Thomas Guden, Curtin University, Australia, Professor Georgios Halakis, University of Athens, Greece, Professor Girija Shetty, University of Canberra, Australia, Professor Yasir Aziz, Greenwich University, London, Professor Omar Tayan, Prince Murkin University, Saudi Arabia, and Professor Muntar Namir, the Hashtami University, Jordan. Adding further value were experts like Professor A.K. Saini, former president of IETE and director of IQAC at Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, New Delhi, Shri Shiv Kumar, former scientist of National Informatics Center, Professor Sneha Kabra, University of Delhi and secretary of IEEE Delhi section, Professor A.K. Nayak, former president of Computer Society of India. Across the next 2 days, 3rd and 4th April 2025, the conference featured numerous technical sessions chaired and presided over by distinguished experts. These sessions provided a platform for 415 presentations of research papers on diverse topics from emerging technologies to sustainable development. IndiaCom echoes the visionary dream of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's Pura, providing urban amenities in rural area by promoting translational research that connects the unconnected, includes the excluded, and empowers the undeserved. On behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth's Institute of Computer Application and Management, we thank all participants, dignitaries, and contributors for making IndiaCom 2025 a grand success. Together, we continue to advance technology for sustainable global development. See you next year at IndiaCom 2026.